Dear students, good morning. Our today's topic is graph. Graph is very important tool for understanding the relation between two physical quantities. For example, you read in 10th class, you read Ohm's law, and you read that potential across any wire is directly proportional to the current. And when you draw graph between voltage and current, then this graph is a straight line graph like that. So this time we use graphs in physics. We draw the graph with different physical quantities. For various type of relation, various type of graph we got. Okay, so we send some graphs to you. You have to note down all graphs in your notebook. And today we take first graph of them, straight line graph. Straight line. Straight line. When graph between two physical quantities are a straight line, when two physical quantities are proportional to each other, then the graph between these two physical quantities are a straight line. स्ट्रेट लाइन ग्राफ कब होगा? जब दोनों फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज एक दूसरे के क्या होंगी? प्रोपोर्शनल होंगी. तो यहाँ पर हम इसको समझेंगे कि ऐसा ग्राफ कैसे है. देखिए आप इसको जब आप लिखेंगे, देन वी टेक कांस्टेंट r, देन v इक्वल टू i r. यहाँ पर हम क्या लेंगे? हियर वी टेक v इक्वल टू i r. I is the current and r is the resistance of the given wire. Standard equation of straight line is a y equal to mx plus c. ये आप नोट डाउन कीजिएगा बेटा, नोट्स में डायरेक्ट लिखा हुआ नहीं है, आप लिखिए रहे. Here m is the, what is m? M is the slope. What is m? M is the slope of straight line. शॉर्ट में लिखेंगे अब हम sn, straight line. And c is the intercept on y axis. या intercepts cut on y axis by straight line. ये जरूर अपने रूप में आप नोट कीजिएगा स्ट्रेट लाइन का रूप के लिए. Now what is the slope? What is the definition of slope? Slope क्या होता है? Slope is m equal to tan theta is slope of the straight line. What is the slope of a straight line? Then slope is m equal to tan theta, where theta is the angle made by straight line from positive direction of x axis. Okay, then if this is a straight line, then positive direction we take anti-clockwise. Then this is the slope, this is the angle theta, and tan theta is the slope of this straight line. When relation between two physical quantities are like that, then graph between physical quantities are a straight line. C is the intercept. Here this is the C. This is the intercept cut by this straight line on y axis. ये C हो गया. In this condition C is negative. When C and M are positive and negative, देखिए, if theta is less than 90 degree, then slope of straight line is positive. Because then in first quadrant tan theta is positive. In first quadrant tan theta is positive. If theta equal to 90 degree, then m equal to infinite. If theta equal to 90 degree, then what is m? If theta equal to 90 degree, then m is infinite. Okay. If theta is greater than 90, then m becomes negative. then m becomes negative. In this condition, m is negative. So if theta is 0 and 180, if any straight line is parallel to x-axis, then it makes angle 0 or 180. Then in this condition, m is 0. If any straight line is perpendicular to x-axis, then slope of that straight line is infinite. Okay dear students, तो ये आप देखिए, this is the standard form of the straight line in slope form. इसको आप slope form भी बोलेंगे because इसमें slope आ रहा है, it is also known as slope form of any straight line. Now we take some another cases. If m is positive and c is also positive, then graph is like that. This angle is less than 90 degree, so m is positive, theta is positive, so m is positive, and intercept cut by the line on positive y-axis, so c is also positive. M is negative and c is also negative, then we cut straight line like that. This angle theta is more than 90. More than 90 means slope of the line is negative. Slope of this line is negative, and this line cuts intercept on negative y-axis. This is y-axis, x-axis. Y-axis positive, y-axis negative. So c is negative. Okay. If m is positive and c is negative, and m is negative and c is positive, then m is positive and c is negative, straight line is like that. Theta is less than 90, it is acute angle, so m is positive and c is negative. Intercept cut by the straight line is below negative on negative y-axis. M is negative and c is positive, like that. M is negative and c is positive, c becomes positive. Intercept on positive y-axis and angle is more than 90. When c is 0, मैंने बताया आपको, when m is 0, when any straight line is parallel to x-axis, then m becomes 0. When m is infinite when any straight line is perpendicular to x-axis or parallel to y-axis. For this straight line m is 0, and for this straight line which is parallel to y-axis or perpendicular to x-axis, m is infinite. For this straight line, c is also infinite because it cuts y-axis and this line becomes parallel, and two parallel lines cuts at infinite. So इस line के लिए c भी क्या होगा? Infinite. Okay. For this line there is a definite value. This value is c. For this line 1 के लिए ये c1 हो गया मान लीजिए, and line 2 this is c. Okay dear students. So up if any line is passes through the origin, अगर कोई भी, this is very important point, if any line is passes through an origin, then c, value of c for this straight line is 0. उसके लिए c का वैल्यू क्या होगा? 0. अब जो हमने क्वेश्चन लिया था उस पर आते हैं. देखिए एग्जाम्पल, v proportional to i, v equal to ir. We take v on y-axis and we take I on x-axis. Then m at the place of m, what comes here? R is resistance of the wire, comes at the place of m. So slope of y equal to mx. C here is 0. C is 0. Value of c is 0. So what this line passes through origin. देखिए this line passes through origin. ये जो लाइन होगी, ये लाइन कहां से पास होगी? ओरिजिन से पास होगी. हो रही है, देखिए आप. एंड स्लोप ऑफ दिस graph is equal to the resistance of wire. Then if we take this angle is theta, then tan theta or m equal to r. We can find the resistance of any wire if graph between v and I is given, because the slope of this vi graph is equal to the resistance of wire. Okay, so today we discuss only straight line graph, and this is the slope form of straight line. M की जो value है that can be positive, negative, 0 and infinite. Now we have to learn, by this video we have to understand when M is 0, M is infinite, M is positive and M is negative. What is M? Tan theta. What is theta? Angle made by the straight line from the positive and direction from the x axis. पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन से एंगल को एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मेजर करेंगे. एक्स एक्सिस से आप एंगल को क्लॉकवाइज मेजर नहीं करेंगे, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज आप मेजर करेंगे. नाउ व्हेन c इज पॉजिटिव एंड c इज नेगेटिव, ये देख सकते हैं. तो व्हेन टू physical quantities are proportional to each other, then graph between them physical quantities are a straight line. If they are directly proportional, there is c is 0, like v equal to ir में c 0 था, अगर c 0 होगा then straight line passes through. In that condition straight line passes through origin. If c is not 0, we take another graph. RT equal to R naught 1 plus alpha t. Here R naught and alpha, these two are constant quantity. T and alpha, T and RT are variables. ये T and RT क्या है? Variables. Then we take RT on y axis and T on x axis. Now RT equal to R naught plus R naught alpha into T. Now we take RT on y axis and T on x axis. So what is C? C is R naught plus this R naught alpha becomes M. So now we draw a graph. Intercept cut on y axis is R naught and this that intercept in positive direction, so that is positive. यहाँ पर R naught दिया. And slope of this graph is M is R naught alpha, and we take time temperature on x axis. Okay, now graph is like that. This time graph. आप देखिए ये जो इंटरसेप्ट कट हुआ है, दिस इंटरसेप्ट इज इक्वल टू आर नॉट एंड स्लोप ऑफ दिस ग्राफ इज आर नॉट अल्फा. इस तरह से फिजिक्स में हम ग्राफ्स बनाते हैं. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी डिस्कस ओनली स्ट्रेट लाइन ग्राफ्स. सो नेक्स्ट क्लास वी डिस्कस नेक्स्ट ग्राफ. ओके, गिवन इन द नोट्स. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.